Hey JVs, how are you? My name's Renzi. Just want to tell you about this exciting new product called the 21 Golden Bundle. So it basically goes live on the 8th of December, and you got an opportunity to earn $232 per sale. Plus, there's going to be $500 in cash prizes. So opportunity to earn a bit of money, quite a bit of money before Christmas. So basically what this product is, it basically has 14 products all in one, all from top marketers like myself, Arinzi, Nella, and Wilson. And also we got a super affiliate. We managed to basically ask them to add his products in as well, okay, by Dord Islam. So we've got a total of 14 great products, so lots of value there as well. Okay, so I just want to tell you, just give you a glimpse of some of the products that are in there. So we have products such as Absolute Profits, which is basically a business in a box, gives you opportunity to earn results in a short amount of time. We also got the Golden Standard, basically helps you to create YouTube videos without actually being on video. We've got Turbo Traffic, basically helps you to basically build a list of 21,000 subscribers and buyers, yeah, which is pretty good. Then we got Set and Forget Traffic, gives you opportunity to get access to a secret traffic source where you can promote any product, yeah, for free, which is really good. And then we've got money magnets, which basically gives you opportunity to build passive daily income stream, which is pretty good. And also there's a lot more products in there as well. So just click the link below, join up, get your link approved for the 5-day launch on the 8th of December. So lots of opportunity to earn a lot of money, lots of cash prizes just before Christmas. So just click the link, join up, and I'll chat to you later.